Okay, I'm going to open the webinar, so let's start. Hello, people. Hey, from the people that are in our YouTube channel, we are going to just wait a couple of minutes so the people continue to connect, and we are going to start in 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you for watching us. Okay, just start and yeah. Thank you for joining us to this webinar. We are going to talk about Chiko solar mounting solution for all type of projects. It's great to us to announce the new brand, new alliance with Chiko Solar for this type of solution of the rack systems. We are going to work with Chiko Solar, and in this webinar is Kevin with us from the Chiko Solar team. So I'm going to talk about a little bit about Mako Solar, and then I'm going to pass the word from to Kevin. And yeah, thank you for the Chico Solar team to join us on this webinar. And if you have any comment, you can just or any question, you can do it on the box from the question, or if you are watching us in the YouTube channel, you can write on the general chat, and we are going to answer you. So yeah, from the people that maybe doesn't know yet about Mako Solar, we are a Mako Solar, sorry, we are a solar distribution of equipments like solar inverters, like panels, like lithium batteries, and also obviously the racking system for solar projects. We have the distribution for the Caribbean market and also the Latin America. Our clients are basically companies that are dedicated to the installer of these solar equipment. Where we come from? We come from for a company called Mako, that is a Colombian company. This company was founded in 1922. We have more than 1,000 employees nowadays, and we also have more than 40,000 customers. We have 7 commercial divisions, and one of these division is Mako Solar, that Mako Solar has around 9 years in the market. And yeah, we would like to talk about makeup because Grupo Meiko is a company dedicated to the wholesale distribution and is one of the most important in the region. Why work with us? We have a tailor-made logistic. We have all the necessary equipment for your solar generation project. As I told you, we have all the category. We have inverters, we have panels, we have racking, we have a lithium battery, and we have POS. We are the preferred distribution in 20 Latin American and Caribbean countries, and we respond to your requirements in less than 24 hours. This is a little bit our map, our presence in Latin America and the Caribbean. We have different warehouses that are located in Colombia, in Panama, Guatemala, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and Miami. So from this warehouse, we attend the Latin America and the Caribbean market. These are some brands that we represent. Obviously, we would like to talk about Chiko Solar because it's the brand that we are going to talk in this webinar. But as you can see, we have a very complete portfolio for all your solar projects. So this is our contact information. The commercial team, that is Maria Paula Mendez, who is our Caribbean commercial coordinator, and Natalia Ruiz, who is our Caribbean commercial executive. If you have any requests, you can talk to us, and we are going to be very happy to help you. Thank you for connect, and well, that's all for my part. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and yeah, I want to present Kevin, that is the person in charge from the Chico Solar. And yeah, thank you for your time. And yeah, I'll let you to share your screen.
Thank you, David. And let me share. So good morning, everyone. My name is Kevin, and I'm the International Business Manager of Chiko Solar. It's a great honor to be here today to present Chiko Solar, a new brand of uh, a new brand partner of Mikosona to introduce our uh, great solar mounting solutions. And Chico Solar was founded in 2011, and for this is our.
Sorry, I interrupt to you. If you want, you can share the whole screen. We are seeing
Can you see the? Can you see it?
like the complete
It's okay.
WPS. Yeah, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Chico Solar was founded in 2011, and we are a manufacturer of the solar mounting. Solar mounting, we have a wider range from roof mounting, flat roof mounting, pitch roof mounting, ground mount, and yeah, the carport, the the very popular uh, rack type right now. And for the past 2 years, we have been always focusing on the development, the innovation, and the publication of solar mounting. And now we have a to meet the rules and the laws in different countries and regions. We have the UL certificate, the CE, the AS, and now we are planning to enter the British and French markets. So now we are applying for the MCS and the ETN certificate, also the TUV. and uh, also yes we have a we have a very good selling in American market, in North America, and in Latin America, and this and it's a good chance to work with Miko Solar, the leading distributor of the solar equipment in Latin American market. I think through the cooperation, we can bring more uh, cost-efficient products to the end customers uh, to to reduce the cost to installers, uh, to the EPCs, and also the end users. Okay, so today I'm gonna introduce our picture roof mounting first, because picture roof mounting is the easiest type of solar mounting to understand if you are a so if you are just entered the solar industry, no matter you are an installer or the distributor, uh, it's very easy for you to understand the picture of market because uh, you can just imagine the, the solar panels on your home or on your factory. So it's so it's easier to understand how the solar rack works. Basically, when we talk about pitcher roof, we basically talk about the tail roof and metal roof. And metal roof, you can have uh, the normal metal sheet and some special metal sheet. And for residential, for residential projects, we usually talk about the tile roof. And in the end, I will show you how to calculate the, the number of the products you need when you have a project. Okay, let's go. So when we talk about metal roof, uh, we normally have two types. The normal one, this we call the uh, corrugated and triple roto sheet. And for special sheet, we call it standing seam. And the tail roof, the most used is S10. Okay, let's see the normal metal sheets. Okay, so on the left, on the left, uh, it's called triple roto sheet. On the right, it's corrugated. It's corrugated sheet. They are the most thin metal sheet on the market. About I think 90% on the market is these two metal sheets. And what's the if you have a project like this, what's the solution you can have? The most used solution is L-fit. That's the most used solution a metal roof project. You can see you can use it on the triple. You can use it on the corrugated metal sheet, and you can see we have stepping we have self-tapping screws, and on the bottom of the outfit we have a rubber pad to uh, prevent the roof from rain. Okay, and what if you want to have a hair space between the metal sheet and your panel? Uh, what if you want more air flow uh, flow through the panel to take away the heat? Then you can have below solution, uh, the L fit, the anchor bolt, and the self-lock bolt solution. What's the difference between the two bolts? That depends on the uh, that depends on the support between the support uh, under the metal sheet. If it's a wood rafter, you can use a hanger bolt. If it's a steel plate, you need a self-lock bolt. Also, with these two solution, uh, you can have a stronger you can have a stronger support uh, 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 to uh, to support the panel. Also, you can have a stronger so also you also with the two solution you uh, can stand a stronger wind as as the the structure has a stronger connection to the roof. Okay, then there there is also another uh, another metal sheet on the market. We call it standing seam. It's not a regular metal sheet. You see, it's like a folded type. Then how we how we uh, how we solve this problem? Then yeah, we call the e-lock collapse. We have a about 100 types of the e-lock clamps. So basically, we have solution uh, almost almost 90 uh, 90 percent of the standing seam you can see on the market. And the clamp is also used with the L feet with L feet. Okay. Then when we talk the tail roof mounting. When we talk about tail roof, we we usually uh, talk about the S tail, or we call it Roman tail. It's a ceramic tail. What's the solution for that? With you can use our stainless steel hook on the yeah you can use three screws to fix the hook to the wood rafter. It's very stubborn. Then we can have a overview of of Chico roof mounting systems. The number one is our rail. We call it uh, 537 rail. And the second is the rail splice kit, also the rail joint, or you can call it a rail connector. You can use it to connect two shorter rails to have a longer rail. And the third is our grounding adjustable middle clamp. It has the grounding function. It has a grounding function, and it's adjustable. It can fit the panel with different thickness from 30 to 40 millimeters. And here this is a grounding adjustable underclap. It's also grounding and adjustable for different panels. And the number five is grounding nut. You can use it to fix the copper wire, the grounding wire, the copper wire. And the sixth is the e-lock clamp. And the first is our number one hook, and the L-fee, and the hanger bolt, and the self-lock bolt. There's one thing I must tell you, my friends, that the L-fee, the hanger bolt, the self bolt, also the e-lock clamp, they all use the L-fee, but the L-fee is a little different. When if you use the L-fee solution, you can see the screw is M6.3 millimeter. So this L-fee has a hole of 7 millimeters diameter. And for the e-lock clamp, the L-fee is uh, has a hole of 9 millimeter diameter because we use a M8 bolt to connect the L-fee to the clamp. So this hole is 9 millimeters. For hanger bolt and the self-lock bolt, uh, they are M10 millimeter. So the L-fee for the hanger bolt or self-lock bolt, the L-fee has a hole of 11 millimeter diameter. So that's the biggest difference. Uh, also, I have a video to show you guys of how how to how to assemble some components. You can see here. This is end cap. Okay, thank you for watching. And yeah, in the end, I want to uh, teach you how to calculate the number of different items you will use in a project. Okay, let's for example, let's assume the panel size is 1665 times 1002 times 35 millimeters, and the panel layout is 4 panels. Okay, and the span is 1500 millimeters. First let's calculate the real length. Basically the real length uh, is your panel wise times the panel number. You can see here we have we have 1002 times 4, and the the uh, because our middle clamp wise is 20 millimeters, so we must add the the distance between panels. So we have a so we have if you have a four panels, then we have uh three uh three distance, and yeah, and this you must use 3 times 20, and and uh, and we must have uh, 50 millimeters on both on each end to install the underclamp and the grounding nut. So this is the real length we we have we have, but we normally make a round number. So we will say it's so we will say uh, the real length to be uh, 2000 and 4200 millimeters. Okay, Let's assume the real size uh, is 1500 millimeters. We use the real lens device the real size, and this is the real number you will have on one row. On one row, you can see we have two rows of reels. So we must times two. So now we have six pieces of reel. See, we have six pieces of 1400 millimeters reels. Okay, so on one row we have three reels. Then you have to use two reel splice kit to connect them. So in total you will have four pieces of reel splice kit. And as for the middle clamp, we have we have uh we have four panels. Then we have uh three distance, and in each distance we have two millimeters. We have two middle clamps. So in total we have six middle clamps. And as for the end clamp, we have one, two, three, four. For one array, or for one table, we have four underclaps. And for grounding arc, in in each row of the reel, in each row of reel, we have one grounding arc. So we have two grounding arcs. And the most important uh, is how to calculate uh, the uh, the hook or the alfie or the hanger bolt or the self lock bolt or the standing seam collapse. Uh, Here is the way we use the real lens to divide the span. Our real length is 4,200 millimeters, and our span is 1,500 millimeters. Now we have 2.8, and but we usually make it a round number, so it's three. So now we have three spans. If we have three spans, then we have four pieces of air foot under each row of reel. Now we have two rows of reels. So the air foot number is 8 pieces. And yeah, and you can see here the bomb. So this is basically the calculation uh, of different components in your project. So thank you everyone. So thank you for watching and hearing. And if you have any questions, you are free to ask me now. I'm very happy to answer to your questions and uh, to deal with your problems. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kevin, for the presentation. I don't see any question right now. So yeah, I'm going to share my screen once more. So yeah, thank you, Kevin, for the webinar. Thank you for your time for joining us in this presentation. If any of you have some question about the solution or about some design that you have already with some classes, some customer, and you would like to see with the rack, the solar mountain of Chico Solar, we are going to be able to help to you on the commercial or in the technical part. So that is what I'm going to let you our contact information. I just want to remember the names of Maria Paula Mendez and Natalia Ruiz that are the people in charge of the Caribbean market. If you don't have any question right now, I think that will be all. We are going to send the presentation and this webinar to your email registration. Yeah, say thank you again to Kevin and the Chico Solar team to help us with this webinar. And yeah, I hope to see you very soon in the next one.
Good day.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us in webinar. We are going to be very happy to see you in the next one. So yeah, I think this is all for now. Yeah, have a good day.